Welcome to our in-depth review of the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman, a luxurious haven nestled on the pristine shores of 7 Mile Beach in the Cayman Islands. This 5-star resort is a true Caribbean gem, offering an unparalleled blend of elegance, natural beauty, and world-class amenities. So grab your virtual sunglasses and let's dive into what makes this tropical paradise a must-visit destination for discerning travelers. Let's start by exploring the accommodations at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman. Prepare to be wowed by the sheer opulence and attention to detail in every room and suite. From the moment you step into your living space, you'll be enveloped in a world of refined luxury. The resort offers a range of room types to suit every taste and need, from elegant guest rooms to jaw-dropping penthouse suites. Picture yourself waking up to panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea, the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore, and the warm tropical breeze caressing your skin. The crown jewel of the accommodations is undoubtedly the Grand Cayman Penthouse and Residences. This ultra-luxurious offering combines a top-floor wing with nearly 20,000 square feet of total space, including an 8,000 square foot 3-bedroom penthouse and adjoining 2-bedroom suites. Talk about living large. These exclusive accommodations come with perks that'll make you feel like royalty. Private check-in, dedicated elevator access, a personal beach cabana, and even VIP airport transportation. It's like having your own private resort within the resort. But don't worry if you're not looking to splurge on a penthouse. The standard rooms and suites are nothing to scoff at. Each one is a masterpiece of island-inspired design, featuring elegant furnishings, plush bedding, and all the modern amenities you'd expect from a 5-star property. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool, high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected, though we recommend unplugging and enjoying the scenery, flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that sun, and minibars stocked with refreshing treats. The bathrooms are a luxurious retreat in themselves, with premium toiletries that'll make you want to linger in the shower just a little bit longer. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation, the food. The Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is a culinary paradise that'll have your taste buds doing the cha-cha. The resort boasts an impressive array of dining options that cater to every palate and occasion. Let's start with the creme de la creme, Blue by Eric Ripert. This Forbes 5-star restaurant is the only one of its kind in the Caribbean, and it's helmed by none other than the legendary chef Eric Ripert himself. If you're a seafood lover, prepare for a gastronomic journey that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about fish. The menu showcases the finest seafood prepared with exquisite skill and creativity. Just remember to pack your fancy pants for this one. It's a fine dining experience you won't soon forget. For those craving a more laid-back vibe with equally impressive flavors, head to St. June. This oceanfront restaurant serves up South American-inspired cuisine with a side of coastal elegance. Picture yourself sipping on a perfectly crafted cocktail as you watch the sun dip below the horizon. That's the St. June experience in a nutshell. If you're in the mood for some Italian flair, Andiamo Circolo Sportivo is your go-to spot. Fresh-made pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and a charming terrace setting. What's not to love? Sushi enthusiasts, fear not. Taikoin offers some of the finest grade sushi this side of the Caribbean, presented with artistic flair that'll have you reaching for your camera before your chopsticks. And for those days when you just can't decide what you're in the mood for, Seven offers a diverse menu with a Caribbean twist, featuring everything from Niman Ranch beef to local island specialties. Let's not forget about the bars. Silver Palm is the place to be for a sophisticated tipple. With an exclusive rum selection and live entertainment, it's the perfect spot to unwind after a day of sun and sand. And if you're feeling peckish, they also serve up some delightful casual bites and even offer a traditional afternoon tea experience. Fancy. Speaking of sun and sand, let's dive into the pool and beach facilities at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman. The resort boasts multiple pools, including heated options for those rare chilly Caribbean days. While we don't have the exact measurements, apparently they like to keep some mystery, we can tell you that these pools are nothing short of spectacular. Imagine lounging on a plush sunbed, cocktail in hand, as attentive staff cater to your every whim. It's like being in a real-life postcard. But the true star of the show is 7 Mile Beach. This stretch of powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise water is consistently ranked as one of the best beaches in the world. And guess what? It's right at your doorstep. The Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman offers a prime slice of this paradise, complete with beach service that'll make you feel like you've died and gone to tropical heaven. Loungers? Check. Fluffy towels? You bet. Food and beverage delivery right to your beach spot? Absolutely. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort offers a range of water sports activities. Snorkeling, diving, kayaking, you name it, they've got it. Who knows? You might even discover your inner mermaid or merman. Now let's talk about activities because, let's face it, there's only so much lounging one can do. Or is there? The Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is a playground for adults and kids alike. Fitness enthusiasts will love the state-of-the-art gym equipped with all the latest cardio machines and weights. And if you're looking to maintain your workout routine with a view, how about a sunrise yoga session on the beach? Talk about finding your zen. For those seeking a more relaxed form of activity, the spa at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is a sanctuary of tranquility, offering a wide range of treatments inspired by local ingredients and traditions. It's the perfect place to unwind and rejuvenate. Picture yourself drifting off during a massage as the gentle sound of waves plays in the background. Bliss. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounges, so you can make a whole day of it. Pro tip: book your treatments in advance. This little slice of paradise tends to fill up quickly. But what about the little ones, you ask? Well, the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman has thought of everything. The resort offers a fantastic kids club that'll keep the young ones entertained while you enjoy some adult time. From supervised activities to themed events, your kids will be having so much fun they might not want to leave. And for those family moments, there are plenty of activities you can enjoy together. From beach games to cultural experiences that'll give you a taste of Caymanian life. Now let's venture beyond the resort because, as amazing as the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is, the island itself is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Just a short walk away is Governor's Beach, another stunning stretch of sand that's perfect for a change of scenery. History buffs and diving enthusiasts will want to check out the Kittiwake Shipwreck and Artificial Reef, just a 10-minute drive from the resort. And if you're in the mood for some retail therapy or local dining, the Georgetown Shopping and Dining District is a short drive away. The resort's concierge can arrange tours and excursions to showcase the best of what Grand Cayman has to offer, from marine life encounters to snorkeling adventures around nearby reefs. Trust us, you'll want to tear yourself away from the resort at least once to explore this Caribbean paradise. So, what's the verdict on the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman? In a word, exceptional. This resort sets the bar for luxury in the Caribbean, offering a perfect blend of sophisticated elegance and laid-back island charm. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the guest experience, from the impeccably designed rooms to the world-class dining options. The staff's commitment to service is truly remarkable. They seem to anticipate your needs before you even realize them yourself. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.